Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever had those moments when you just want to make something quick to wear for a trip to the beach? Today's project can be easily made under just 2 hours, and if you have the materials at hand, then let's get on with the video. You will need a DK weight yarn, a 4.5mm crochet hook or any yarn and hook of your choice, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. And if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Kath and I do crochet tutorials. You can follow me on Instagram as well as my Facebook page at What About Yarn. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Starting with a slip knot, we're going to work a chain of 4. Double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, and to do that you're going to yarn over and insert the hook into the 4th chain or the very first chain that you did. Grab the yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook, and that is a double crochet. And you're going to work another double crochet in that very same chain. We have 3 stitches into the first row. Once you have that, you're going to chain 3, and chain 3 here is going to count as 1 double crochet. Now on that very same stitch, we're going to work up another double crochet. So this means that we have 2 stitches in 1 stitch. Now on the next stitch, we're going to work up another double crochet. And on the very last stitch, we're going to work 2 double crochet. Once you have the last 2 stitches, we're going to turn our work. Now row 3, chain 3, and turn your work. Now from here, we will just repeat the same thing as what we did for row 2. So after chain 3, we will work again 1 double crochet in that very same stitch and 1 double crochet in each of the stitches until we get to the last stitch. On the last stitch, we will add 2 double crochets. So that means we will be increasing on both sides of the triangle. So do that and meet me back later until your triangle is wide enough to cover your breast. I just finished my triangle, and as you can see here, I have 15 rows in total for my size 32B. So after this, you're going to fasten off, cut the yarn, and make another cup. So once you have your second cup, you're not going to cut the yarn because we will continue working the side straps for this. Now you're going to work up a chain that is long enough to go around your body so that we can create the back ties or the back straps or whatever you want to call that. Once you have your chain, be careful that you're not going to twist it. On the second chain, we're going to work up a single crochet, and to do that, you're going to insert the hook into the chain, grab the yarn and pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And again, you're going to repeat that same stitch in each of the chains across until you get to the very last chain. Once you get to the very last chain, you're going to work up again 1 single crochet in each of the stitches across the bottom of the cup. When you get to the very end, we're going to take the second cup and make another single crochet into the very first stitch of the bottom of the triangle. And you're going to continue working up a single crochet in each of the stitches. When you get to the very end of the second cup, you're going to work up the same amount of chains as you did for the side straps. And same as what you did earlier, single crochet into the second chain from the hook and all the way to the bottom of the chains. Now slip stitch into the opposite stitch of the cup, as you can see here. And if you don't know how to slip stitch, you're basically going to insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn up, and you're going to chain 1 to close that and fasten off. From here, we will take the tip of the triangle, and this is where we will place the yarn so that we can create the halter straps. And to do that, we're going to work up as many chains as we need until the chain is long enough to go around the neck. When you have your chain, you're going to close that and cut the yarn, and you will do the same thing for the other cup as well. Now all that's left to do now is to weave in your ends, and basically you're done. And that marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. If you have any questions about this pattern, please feel free to write them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Please feel free to share this video to anyone you know that wants to make a very quick bikini top. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and as always, have a good day. I'll see you on the next video.